I went to take shower around 2 a.m. Water was very lukewarm. I was feeling cold after taking shower as I was not used taking shower with that kind of water. Halfway through my shower, I realized they did not put bath towels.
Entry to nightclub not free for hotel guests. How come? You make guests and you allowed bass even in the upper floors of the building. I was staying on 5th floor, not possible to sleep easily until after 3 p.m.
Total upset. As a Genius category customer we get certain benefits, no welcome drink, no support staff in reception or checkout. We requested late checkout as deemed to a Genius for the 2 rooms, but were offered only extra 1 hour for only one
Staff
room
not
after
cooperative, room service very late, not exhaust in toilet, no toilet slippers, no complimentary tea and coffee and water, just 1 bottle water on arrival day. TV channels is not as realist in room. Same variety of food items in breakfast
Terrible
for whole
sounds
week.
from the nightclub up to 3:30 a.m. Cool, not sleep at all. Next day morning have to attend the meeting in the office. So, it was very bad experience in that hotel, no bathroom slippers, no water to drink in the room, have to buy from outside.
The room I was given first was water leakage and carpet become wet, due to which some kind of smell was there in the room. Finally the room was changed. Toilet plumbing needs replacement. All valves all leaking and old. Door locks are not in good condition. Lights in the room very poor.